game-changing product. Let's give a big round of applause to our product lead trainer, Mr. Joshua Sia. Good morning, Sir Josh. Take it away.
Good day. Today, I am pleased to present the latest innovation in higher washing machine lineup. To provide a brief overview of the Irish washing machine business globally, Haier has held the #1 position in the global washing machine market in 15 consecutive years. This success is rooted in our commitment to being a solution provider for diverse markets and consumers worldwide. In the United States, for example, consumer concerns were primarily focused on extended washing and drying times. In response, we introduced the one and done washing machine, which significantly reduced both washing and drying times while maintaining the integrity of the fabric. This innovation led to a remarkable increase in Haier's market share and currently at 20%. In Europe, consumers were particularly concerned with hygiene, especially regarding odors from washing machines. To address this, Haier introduced ultra-fresh air technology, which circulates fresh air into the washing machine to dry the tub and other internal components, preventing odor buildup and ensuring superior hygiene. This technology has been a great success in key markets such as Poland and France, resulting in significant sales growth and increase in market share. Now, here in Southeast Asia, consumer pain points tend to focus on the following areas. First, unhygienic washing machines. Second, high electricity consumption. And third, low water pressure. As a leader in providing smart solutions, Haier has examined these pain points and focused on developing washing machines that are efficient, easy to maintain, and capable of operating in low water pressure conditions, particularly important here in the Philippine market. Now, I am excited to introduce Haier's latest innovation in washing machines. Please join me in unveiling our newest products. Is the Haier self-cleaning top-load washing machine, the HWM 150B2178SA. Okay, before we dive into details, let me highlight some common issues and concerns that consumers face here in the Philippines. First, allergies, of course, due to unseen dirt on clothes and unpleasant odors after washing. These issues arise because washing machines, over time, accumulate dirt and detergent residue. The traditional solution has been to clean the washing machine using harsh chemicals or to have it serviced by technicians, both of which can be costly, time-consuming, and potentially harmful. Hire's smart solution? Well, we've introduced the self-cleaning technology, the first of its kind in the Philippine market. To give you an idea of how it works, let me explain through this video. So the self-cleaning technology utilizes 20 smart manifolds placed beneath the washing machine tub. During the wash cycle, these manifolds are released between the inner and outer tubs through the water filling process. As the machine operates, the nanoballs collide with the inner and outer tub surfaces by over 2.5 billion times. This prevents the dirt and detergent residue from accumulating. During the draining cycle, these nanoballs automatically return to the collection chamber thanks to the waterfall of water being drained from the tub. This technology works automatically. No need to activate or to maintain. That is how the self-cleaning technology works. So this groundbreaking innovation was made possible through thousands of rigorous testing, years of research, and the collaborative efforts of over 20 engineers and R&D specialists, all working together to ensure the effectiveness of this feature. So now, what does this mean to our consumers? With higher self-cleaning technology, your washing machine will remain as clean as it was on the first day, even after 6 to 10 years of use, actually. This is something traditional washing machines simply cannot achieve. Now, for our next model, for our next model to discuss, this is the Silent Wash Plus series. This combines exceptional washing performance with energy efficiency thanks to the innovative direct motion motor. Unlike traditional motors, the direct motion motor eliminates the need for a belt, reducing friction and power loss. This allows for more efficient washing with reduced noise and vibration, offering a quieter and more peaceful laundry experience. And finally, Haier introduced the NZP series. NZP stands for Near Zero Pressure Technology. This machine is designed for areas with low water pressure, perfectly fit in the Philippine market. The NZP series operates effectively at water pressures as low as 0.01 megapascals, making it ideal for remote areas and locations where water pressure may be a challenge. In summary, the 2024 Haier washing machine lineup includes both top-load and front-load automatic washing machines, setting a new standard in the industry. For more possibilities, we are also excited to introduce a new 7.5 front-loading inverter washing machine model, perfect for smaller living spaces and startup families. This ends my presentation of Haier washing machines. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the program. Mabuhay!